Welcome! Hi, I just wanted to say thank you so much for dropping by my channel. I'm Debbie Thomas with Thomas Luxury Group at Compass Real Estate Austin. Our team works with both buyers and sellers in the Austin and Central Texas area. Real estate is a second career for me as I am a retired teacher. As a natural educator, I like to teach my clients about everything real estate that could benefit them. What you will find on this channel is a lot of real estate related content such as home buying and selling tips, information about Austin and its surrounding neighborhoods, things to see and do in the Austin area, as well as luxury and lakefront living specialties and the real estate market updates, of course. If this is your first time here, I suggest that you check out the playlist below to see what best suits what you're looking for. You can find playlists for sellers, buyers, lake living, new construction, active adult communities, etc. If you have any questions, give me a call at 512-677-9431. Please be sure to hit subscribe.